When it comes to email, most people either love it or dread it. For high productivity users, managing a crowded inbox can make or break their day. That is why tools like Superhuman and Hey have become so popular. Both promise to change how you handle email, but they take very different approaches to getting you focused and in control. Let's break down what makes each of them stand out and which one might fit your style best. Superhuman is built for speed. Everything about it is designed to make you fly through your inbox. The interface is sleek and minimal, with no clutter or unnecessary buttons. The first thing you notice when you use it is how fast it feels. Opening, searching, and switching between emails happens instantly. It is built for people who treat their inbox like a task list and want every second to count. One of Superhuman's most powerful features is keyboard shortcuts. You can archive, reply, schedule, or snooze emails without ever touching the mouse. It creates a sense of flow, almost like you are in control of a command center. Superhuman also includes read statuses, so you can see when someone has opened your email, and it offers follow-up reminders, so important conversations never slip through the cracks. Now let's talk about Hey, the email service from the creators of Basecamp. Hey is not just a faster inbox, it is a complete rethink of how email should work. Instead of trying to help you manage the chaos, Hey's goal is to prevent chaos in the first place. The first time you get an email from someone new, Hey asks you to screen it. You decide whether that person gets into your inbox at all. That means no more spam or unwanted newsletters sneaking into your main feed. Messages you approve go to what Hey calls the inbox. That is short for important box. Other types of messages, like newsletters or receipts, are automatically sorted into their own sections, so they never distract you. Hey also changes how you handle attachments and replies. There is a dedicated space for all files, making them easy to find without searching through old threads. You can even reply with quick notes right from the inbox without opening a full message. So which one is better for high productivity users? It depends on how you define productivity. If you want to move fast, handle high volumes of messages, and track responses with precision, Superhuman is the clear winner. It is made for people who see email as a mission and want every tool to perform at lightning speed. If your version of productivity is about focus, calm, and mental clarity, then Hey is your match. It gives you structure, filters out noise, and lets you decide what deserves your attention. It is less about getting to inbox zero and more about keeping only the right things in your inbox. Both tools reimagine email in their own way. Superhuman turns it into a power tool. Hey turns it into a peaceful workspace. The right choice depends on whether your productivity thrives on speed or simplicity. Either way, both show that email does not have to be stressful. It can actually work for you.